Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use the wedding planner template, available for purchase on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. This template helps you organize your wedding, plan your budget, track expenses, manage vendors and bookings, and keep all your wedding details in one convenient place. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to specify the budget plan and main categories. The second and third steps show how to enter information about the wedding budget and analyze it. This step shows how to fill in the contact list information. Below is how to fill out the catering menu, which helps you stay organized and ensure nothing is forgotten for your big day. This step shows how to fill in the information on the venue search sheet. This sheet is important for comparing venues, organizing key details, and choosing the best option for your wedding. It shows how to fill out the guest list and analyze it. This step shows you how to fill out the checklist, helping you stay organized, track tasks, meet deadlines, and make sure nothing is forgotten for your wedding day. Next, it shows you how to fill out the seating plan, helping you organize guests, avoid confusion, balance tables, and ensure everyone enjoys your wedding day comfortably. This step shows you how to write a detailed plan for your wedding day. Go to the settings sheet. Enter your wedding budget. In the expenses categories block, list all the types of wedding expenses you plan to track. For example, stationery, attire, rings, decorations, food, rehearsal dinner, beauty, ceremony. You can also include any other costs you expect for your big day to keep your budget complete and organized. In the team block, list all the people involved in planning and supporting your wedding. For example, mom, dad, brother, sister, best friends, yourself, and your partner. This helps you keep track of responsibilities, coordinate tasks, and ensure everyone knows their role for a smooth celebration. In the menu setup block, list all the dishes and drinks you plan to serve at your wedding. This helps you organize your catering choices, track quantities and costs, and ensure a balanced and enjoyable menu for your guests. Let's enter a few examples. You can specify about 1,000 categories in each block. Go to the wedding budget sheet. The expenses should be entered in the tables below. Enter the date. Specify the description. Select the category. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Enter the budget and the actual amount. Specify the amount that has already been paid. The data in the outstanding column is calculated automatically. Let's specify more data. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Moving on to the analysis section. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. The summary budget data is shown here: budget, actual, and left to spend, helping you track your spending, stay within budget, and make informed decisions for your wedding. The expense distribution chart shows the structure of expenses by category. This chart shows how much of the budget has already been spent. With this chart, you can analyze budgeted and actual expenditure amounts, helping you spot overspending, stay on track, and make smarter financial decisions for your wedding. The top 10 expenses chart can be used to analyze the top expenses. Go to the contact list sheet. This helps you keep all your vendor information organized, easily accessible, and ensures smooth communication for your wedding. Specify the vendor or venue. Select the category. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Enter the contact's name, email, and phone number. Mark contract agreed. If necessary, specify notes. Let's specify more data. Go to the catering menu sheet. Filling out the catering menu sheet is important to organize your menu choices, track costs accurately, and ensure a seamless dining experience for your wedding guests. Specify the table and guests. The drop-down lists for the columns starter, main, dessert, and drink are generated based on the data specified in the settings sheet. Let's enter more data. You may also indicate any additional guest requests, such as dietary requirements. You can specify about 1,000 guests. Go to the venue research sheet. This is important for comparing venues, tracking details, and making an informed decision for your perfect wedding location. Specify the venue. Upload the photo. Specify the contact's name, email, and phone number. Enter the rate. Specify the capacity and preference. Let's enter more data. You can include 16 examples. In this block, you need to specify the selected location. Using the cost comparison chart, you can compare prices for locations and make the best decision. In the notes section, you can enter notes about the location, which will help you keep track of important details. Mark the completed task. Go to the guest list sheet. This sheet is essential as it contains the complete guest list. Information should be entered into the table below. Enter the table. Specify the envelope. Enter the guest name. If necessary, you can specify the address. Mark the guest status. Enter the number and email address. Marking children. Select the guest category. Choosing who to be a guest for the newlyweds. If necessary, check gift received and thank you. Let's enter more data. The guest breakdown chart shows the structure of guests by category. The total number of guests is calculated automatically. Only guests who have been sent an invitation are counted. The chart shows the number of guests by invitation response. In the block, you can write down notes and tasks so that you don't miss anything. Mark the completed task. Go to the checklist sheet. This sheet helps you track all wedding tasks and make sure nothing is missed. Specify the important dates. In the blocks below, you can specify a list of tasks, select the person responsible, and set a completion date. The blocks are divided into periods ranging from 12 months to 1 week. Let's enter some examples. Enter the task. Select the responsible persons. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified in the settings sheet. Select the date. Once the task has been completed, check the box. You can specify 15 tasks in each block. Go to the seating plan sheet. This sheet is important for organizing guest seating and ensuring everyone has an assigned place. The sheet consists of 20 blocks, and each block can accommodate 20 guests. You need to specify the place and the guest. Using this sheet helps ensure a well-organized seating arrangement and a comfortable experience for all guests. Go to the wedding day sheet. In this table, you can plan and organize events for up to 3 days. Specify the time, duration, description of the activity, and location for each event. In the Day 1 table, list all events and activities planned for the first day of the wedding celebration. For example, guest arrival and welcome drinks, engagement party, and dinner with close family. You can also include other activities such as a welcome speech, icebreaker, games, or a short group photo session to capture the first day's moments. In the Day 2 table, list all events and activities planned for the second day of the wedding celebration. For example, wedding ceremony, group photo shoot, and reception with dancing and entertainment. You can also include other activities such as cake cutting, speeches or toasts, and any special performances planned for the evening. In the Day 3 table, list all events and activities planned for the third day of the wedding celebration. For example, post-wedding brunch, farewell gathering with guests, and guest departures. You can also include other activities such as a short sightseeing tour, gift distribution, or a relaxed family gathering before the guests leave. You can list all important events for each day to create a clear and well-organized timeline for the wedding celebration. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Enter your own wedding details to see how easy it is to plan and organize your special day. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.